Let's take this figure and translate it 4 units right and then 6 units down. For this problem, we're trying to perform multiple translations on just one figure. So let's start out by taking a look at the figure that we're trying to translate and see if we can figure out exactly what's going on. So here we've been given this figure, and we want to take this entire figure and translate it 4 units to the right and then 6 units down. So our new figure, or our image, will be somewhere down here. But to see exactly what it will look like and exactly where it will be, we need to be a bit more specific. So, rather than translating the whole figure at once, let's just pick one point from the figure and translate that first. So in step number 2, let's pick one point from the figure and move it, or translate it 4 units to the right and then 6 units down. Let's pick this point right here, one of the vertexes of our figure. Let's translate this point 4 units to the right and 6 units down. First, let's move it to the right. To move this 4 units to the right, we want to count 4 units right. We count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we want to count 6 units down. To translate it 6 units down, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we plot our point right here. So we've now taken this point and translated it 4 units to the right and 6 units down. And we've gotten this new point right here. This new point is one of the points on our new figure, or our image. To find the other points on our image, all we need to do is repeat this process of picking and translating points. Now we don't need to pick all the points from our figure. We just need to pick enough so that we get a good idea of what our image will look like. Then we can simply connect the dots to create our image. So to give ourselves a good picture, let's pick the other 3 vertexes of our figure to translate. Let's pick this point next. We want to take this point and translate it 4 units to the right and 6 units down. So we count 4 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 6 units down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we plot our new point. Great! Then what about this point? We translate it 4 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we plot the new point right here on the y-axis. Finally, we take this point and translate it 4 units to the right and then 6 units down. And we plot our new point right here. Then we connect these 4 points and look at what we get. Our new figure, or our image. This image is the same shape and size as our original figure. This image is just the translation of this figure when we take this figure and move it 4 units to the right and 6 units down. So if you need to perform a translation like this on a figure, all you need to do is pick individual points on your figure and translate them individually. Then connect the dots and create your image.